Hey guys, welcome to Illogical Humor. So today we'll discuss this simple coding interview question that I came across on this site, interviewcake.com. So the question is like this: that the stock exchange, the Apple stock exchange, it opens at 9:30 a.m. local time, and then the thing is, suppose that they have means they have mentioned the scenario that suppose that after 60 minutes, I mean it opens at 9:30 a.m. and then at 10:30 a.m. So after 60 minutes, if the stock price is $500, so they'll write like this: stock prices yesterday at 60. So the minutes after the opening of the stock exchange will be the indices, okay, and then the value, the value stored in the array is going to be the stock cost at that time. Okay, so stock price is like this. So this stock price is yesterday, so 10 is at 1 minute 9:31 a.m. and then 9:32 a.m., 9:33, 9:34, 9:35, 9:36 a.m. And these are the prices: $10.75, like this. So what they want is, the scenario is, they mean it should be able to return the best profit. This function that they need to create, get max profit from after, and the parameter they pass is the array. So they want the best stock profit that they could make from one purchase and one sale of Apple stock yesterday. So first they will purchase, okay. So the prices will be, I mean, first they'll buy and then they'll sell, and how much is the maximum profit that they make. That is what we have to find. So say suppose they buy at 10 and then sell at 11, so they'll make a profit of $1. If they buy at 7 and sell at 11, they'll make a profit of $4. So the maximum scenario, as they have mentioned here, is that when they buy at $5 and sell at $11, so they'll make $6 profit. Okay, so we have to write a code that can calculate it. Then no matter how many, what is the size of the arrow, no matter how many numbers are there. Okay, so guys, let's do it. Okay, so we have this sample console application, and I am going to make an array. So the array is like this. Sorry, yeah, the array will be like this. If this is okay, so let's I just copy paste these things here. So this is going to be the method. So let's first say it will be int. It will be an integer array. Okay, it's going to be new. Int array, and this is going to be inside curly braces, I think. Yeah. Okay, so this has been solved. Now this one we need to create a method that will pass the array. Okay, so let's just say that, let's mark it as static so that we don't have to create a means object on the fly. So static, and it's not going to return anything, but it will just directly print from that. Okay, and it's going to accept an integer array, and let's keep the name same. Okay guys, or भैया, oh. So let's keep the name same here, and we are calling this method here, and here we let's loop around it. Okay, so we are going to write a for loop here, and I is equal to 0, and it will say int. So we are going to traverse through the array. We are going till the last, this second last element, and then we'll compare with the rest of the elements. So we'll start with this 10, and we are going to compare the profit with every other element till here. Okay, and then we'll start at 7. And then we'll start at 7 and then we'll loop till 9. And after that, and we'll, yeah, and we'll go till this second last element, and then, yeah, so we'll, okay guys, yeah. So, and we are going to compare it. So let's first we need to calculate the length. Let's calculate the length as in L is equal to stock prices dot length. Okay. So this is going to be the length, and we are not going to traverse the whole array. We are going till the second last element, because there is no point in comparing with the, I mean, the comparing with the last element. Eh, so till second last element. Okay, so we are going to use another loop here. Sorry for the disruption. That was a crazy guy man out there. Yeah, really. Sorry for that interruption also. So, yeah. So will this first loop we are going to traverse till this second last element, because there is no point, because we need to have this in this loop we are going to, these I means we are going to take the buying. I mean, these are the possible, I mean, the elements, these are at these possible prices we can buy, because we cannot buy at the last price, because then there is no other element, the last element, because then we have to sell also. We are trying to calculate the maximum profit. Okay guys, so now we'll traverse, we'll use another loop and we'll see the elements that we can sell out. And also this 10th element we can't sell, because we haven't yet bought it, so we can't sell now. From this to this we'll sell. So excluding the first element, we can sell any of these elements. Okay, so we'll start at and also if we are buying this element, this fifth element, we cannot sell at this price, right? At we cannot at 10 or 7 we cannot sell. We'll have to sell at 8, 11 or 9. Okay, so this I, so all this our j value will be based on this I. It will always be I plus 1 j, it will be j will be less than L, and j plus plus. Okay guys, yeah. Now we are going to do this. Now suppose that let's take two variables, buy. This will be used for the buying. This will be the buying price, and sell will be the selling price, and in profit will be the profit. We'll keep the profit here, and let's initialize them to the default, but because if we don't initialize them, then it might create a problem. Okay, so if we'll have to calculate if buy, if sell minus buy is greater than profit, then what will do it? Okay, not sell minus buy guys, yeah. Because sell they are 0. If a what's the array there? Yeah, this one is the array. If j, because j will be the selling price, if j minus I is greater than profit, then buying price will be I only, and selling price will be, and profit will be, and what is the meaning of this thing? That means suppose that we have calculated a profit for some values, but later if we can encounter such values that this selling value, because this loop will be for buying, this loop will be for selling. If we find a value at means selling value minus buying value is greater than profit, so that means this will make a greater profit, then we'll exchange. The buy value will be high, the sell will be, and this profit, and this will keep on updating till we have found the maximum profit. Okay guys, so I think after this loop we'll have found the maximum profit, and then as according to this, that buying for 5 and selling, we can print it to the console dot write line, yeah, that's right. Instead of these we'll be using placeholders. Use 0 placeholder, and this will be the first placeholder, and yeah, buying for at and selling for this. Okay guys, so let's just see how it runs. Let's have this so that it doesn't so see, buying for 5 and selling for 11, just like these. Okay guys, now let's just try to add some more value. Say let's this one. Okay guys, sorry, we have to close this. Okay, so let's say that there is a $1 price is also available. Okay, and then there is say $4, say $82, say there is a $34, there is $67, there is $2, $22, there is again $1, $45. Okay, so let's just run. So as you can easily see that the highest profit would be buying at 1 and then selling at 67. So let's just see that if it is able to calculate. Yeah, see guys, buying for $1 and selling at $61. So this was another example of using arrays that we saw. Guys, if you have more such interview questions, then I would try to solve. I can't promise that I'll be able to solve completely, but I can try and take help of my colleagues so we can solve it together guys. Yeah, so guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.